In the Sonoran Desert, there's very few places where a bird can perch, build a nest, and hunt from that are at a high vantage point like our poles. Tucson Electric Power has got many methods for making our poles Raptor friendly. In this situation, we've got a bird's nest that was discovered on a capacitor bank. And we're going to lower the capacitor bank with the nest in place onto the ground. Yeah, we're not certain what kind of a nest this is. It's certainly big enough to be a raptor. And evidence of that is some of the bones that we're seeing in there. Obviously, they're eating some of the local mice. We're going to transfer the nest intact onto a pre-manufactured bird perch. While we're doing that, the crew's going to set some braces up on the pole so that we can set that perch back in place with the nest on it. That way this whole area will be secure for these birds to raise their babies for years to come. The partnership that we have with the University of Arizona, and they help us evaluate areas for protection. If there's a sighting or a nest or an incident that occurs, they'll go out and evaluate the area for nesting structures and food sources and help us determine if protection is recommended. One of the best things that can happen is to go through this kind of effort in the fall like it is right now, and then come back in the spring and find that the nest is being occupied and that baby birds are being raised. Our program has made a huge impact on the survivability of these young birds. TP goes out of their way to make sure that it's a very successful program. TP holds a very personal responsibility for protecting these birds.